Looking to boost your PC's speed and responsiveness? The RipJaws V Series DDR4-3600 memory kit is built to deliver exactly that, whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling demanding workloads. Designed specifically for AMD Ryzen 3000 and X570 series, as well as Intel Z390 and newer platforms, this 16GB kit, 2x8GB, offers a perfect balance of speed and reliability for modern systems. I upgraded my own rig with the RipJaws V Series and noticed the difference immediately. Running dual channel at a solid 3600 MHz with CAS latency of 16191939, it handled everything from intense gaming sessions to heavy multitasking without a hitch. The XMP2.0 profile made enabling overclocking effortless, pushing the memory to its rated speed without any stability issues. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of motherboards, just check G.Skill's QVL or RAM Configurator to be sure. What you get is more than just raw speed. This memory kit offers consistent performance with a low 135 volts voltage and a sleek black design that fits seamlessly into any build. Users report smooth operation even when overclocking beyond the rated speed, reaching up to PC 4000 MHz without hitting limits. If you're ready to upgrade your system's memory for better frame rates, faster load times, and smoother multitasking, the RipJaws V Series is worth a look. If that's you, someone who demands dependable, high-performance memory that works right out of the box, consider the RipJaws V Series DDR4-3600 kit. Whether you're building a new gaming PC or upgrading an existing one, this kit provides the speed, compatibility, and stability you need to keep your system running at its best. Try it when you're ready to experience memory that keeps pace with your ambitions.